Hello everyone, my name is Sheikh Mohammed Hussain.
Hello everyone, my name is Uben.
Hello everyone, my name is Alisha.
Today we are doing advertisement on Voltas AC.
Let's start it. Oh, hi.
Hi, how are you?
I am fine, thank you. What about you?
I am also fine.
Let's sit. And what's going on in your life?
Yes, it is good.
What's going on in your life?
It is good. So hot today.
Have water.
Thank you.
Just wait a minute, I turn on AC.
What a cool air. Which brand it is?
Voltas AC. This is Voltas AC.
It's a 100% copper.
Yes. Oh, it is inverter model.
Yes.
Wow, power saving is 3 stars. Good. I want to purchase it.
You afford this.
Which brand? Which company you bought from?
Voltas showrooms I brought.
No, I want to purchase it for my house.
You go and Voltas showroom and purchase it.
Thank you.
Thank you.